Is the Dandeli Long River rafting worth it? Watch this video till the end and decide it for yourself. We left around 2:30, which was our booking slot, and we reached back around 6:30. The river rafting lasted for about 3 hours, and then it took us total 1 hour to get back from where we started. There are different types of river rafting: short raft, mid raft, and long raft. So, short raft is a bit less expensive, which starts from 600. Mid raft ranges around 1200 to 300, and the long raft can range from 1500 to 2000. It all depends on the agency from where you book the river rafting. All the videos that you see here are shot in GoPro, and we were charged around 3100 per boat. That is 3100 divided by 8 people, which I felt was pretty expensive. The mistake that we did was we did not negotiate and we agreed to the price. If you negotiate, you can make the price up to 2500. This video covers most of the rapids and also the nature view that you can see during a long rafting. I would leave the decision up to you if you want to go for a long rafting or not based on what you see in this video. But let me tell you, if you are short on time and not so adventurous and physically able to raft for 3 hours, then I would suggest you to go for a short raft. But at the same time, if you can raft for a longer duration and are a bit more adventurous, then you can go for a mid raft. But my suggestion is that check out this video, decide if you want to do the long raft or not. If you feel you do not want to go for the long raft, then you should definitely choose the short rafting, which saves time, saves money, and you get the best rapid of all. If you have any questions regarding the Dandeli river rafting, then do drop me a message on my Instagram account. The link to my account can be found in the description.
हेलो हेलो मेरे पर नहीं डालना है।
This is my second rafting experience, as I have already tried rafting once in Rishikesh. Both the rafting experiences has been unique for me. In Rishikesh, the Ganga River is a lot more thrilling and adventurous when it comes to the waves and rapids. I have witnessed rafts toppling as well in Rishikesh. In Dandeli, Kali River offers you an experience of surfing along with rafting, because here the waters are much more calmer than Rishikesh, so you get a chance to surf. What do I mean by surfing here exactly? So, what happens in Dandeli river rafting is that once you have passed the rapids, you go back and surf against the rapids. The first time you go through the rapids, the second time you go against it. This experience in Dandeli has been really thrilling for me in the long river raft. You will not find any online booking site for river rafting because right now it is being managed by the private agencies. Earlier it was managed by government, and I guess there was a booking website where you could book the rafting, but right now it's all managed by the private agencies. What we did is that we went to the resort where we had a stay, and they did the booking for us. The long rafting does require a prior booking, as you will be given a certain slot. These rafts have a particular time in which they actually go, because as per the government, 3 boats have to go together. So it will be timed and you have to reach there on time. But for the short rafts, you can go there directly and book it then and there and try it out. I booked my rafting through the resort where I was staying. So most of the people who visit Dandeli take these packages from the resort where you also have other activities included. So once I reached the State Adventures, which was basically the agency that had tied up with my resort, I did witness a lot of other activities happening there. You can try out zorbing, skipping, etc. For more details, you can again check out my Instagram, where I would be making a lot of short videos which will have all the details about the itinerary, the resorts, and also the different activities that you can do in Dandeli. I would suggest you to book this rafting activity through the resort and negotiate the pricing, as the price varies based on how and with whom you book this. What I did see at the agency is that the prices given were 2,000, but I do see that people negotiate and have got it for a lesser price. My rafting experience in Dandeli was a lot more thrilling because we had a slot at 2:30 and it was already getting cloudy at that point of time, and we could hear thunder and a bit of lightning while we were rafting, which added to the experience. And the best part was, as soon as we were closer to the end, it started raining, and it was just amazing to be rafting and ending our journey with getting totally drenched in the rain. This is the very first video that I'm uploading on YouTube, which is gonna be half an hour long, and I'm hoping this video gets good enough views and it is very helpful to the audience watching. And if you guys love it, please do like, share and subscribe. So I'm gonna end my narration here and let you guys enjoy the rest of the video, so you can see the entire video and decide on if you really want to go for the long raft or just go for the short raft and end your rafting experience. Thank you for watching, and do subscribe, like and show some support.
ज़माने को अपना बना कर तो देखा, तुम्हें दिल लगी भूल।
Go, go. Get back, get back, get back. Go forward, 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 forward. So faster, faster. Hello, do faster. Okay, stop. चलो बोलो काली भैया की. Stop, stop. Forward, forward, forward. Move fast. Move fast, Matty. Move fast. So forward, forward. Fast, fast, faster. So forward, forward, forward. Hello, forward, yaar. Okay, stop, stop. Hello, stop, stop. Stop. Get back. Hello, hello. Do fast, do fast.
तुम्हें दिल लगी भूल।
Forward, forward, fast, fast, fast ಮಾಡಿ. Hello, fast ಮಾಡಿ ಈಗ. Fast. Forward, fast. Stop, 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 stop. Back pedal ಮಾಡಿ, back, reverse, reverse. Stop, stop. Stop, stop, stop. Right side, watch out again. Right side, watch out.
ज़माने को अपना बना कर तो देखा, तुम्हें दिल लगी
So forward, forward. Stop, 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 stop. So forward. Stop, 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 stop. Huh? ಇನ್ನು ಮುಂದಿದೆ, ಇನ್ನು ಮುಂದಿದೆ. Hi everyone. So hip hip, hip hip. चलो बोलो काली मैया की, बोलो काली मैया की. फॉरवर्ड, फॉरवर्ड. अरे नीचे जा रही है भाई. फॉरवर्ड करिए, फॉरवर्ड. So forward, forward. ಡೀಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಪೈಡಲ್ನ ಡೀಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ನಕ್ಕೋತ್ ಕುತ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ ಪೈಡ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕವರ್ ಟೀಮ್ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಗೋ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ये क्या सीन हो गया ना भाई इधर आने के बाद बढ़ता stop now look at the back side everyone chalo hip yes take your position so get down so forward so get down yeah, get back stop hello look at the back side everyone hello look at the back side everyone stand up the back pedal hello back pedal hello back madam back hello stand up yes everyone enjoy forward faster move fast hello fast again hello faster forward what is it fast again forward what is it fast stop so forward so forward लगा के, जोर लगा के, दम लगा के, जोर लगा के। चलो बोलो काली मैया की। चलो move faster, move faster, move faster. Stop, 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 stop. Get down, get down, get down. Get back, get back, get back, get back, get back, get back, get back. Forward, 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 forward. Hello, hello, hello. Back pedal, back pedal. Faster, 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 faster. Too fast. Stop, stop, stop. We can hide everyone. Let's everyone enjoy. Stop, stop. Chalo, forward, forward, forward. Faster. Stop, 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 stop. Stop, stop. Go forward, forward. Forward, fast. Okay, stop, 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 stop. Forward, forward, forward. Forward, 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 forward. Exit. Chalo, chalo, Kali Maiya ki. Get back, get back, get back. Stop, stop. Hello. Stop, stop. Hello. Only right side forward, only